let f of z is equal to u plus iv. Okay, now if I multiply this f of z with I'll get I into f of z. This is equal to I into u plus iv. Okay, now this is that is equal to, just open this bracket, iu plus I square b, which is equal to iu, and I square we know is minus 1, so minus b. So I got I into f of z is equal to iu minus b. Okay, so now this equation number 1 we have, this equation number 2 I am taking. Now what I will do is, I will just add this 1 and 2. F of z plus I into f of z is equal to, f of z right part is u plus iv, I into f of z right side is iu minus b. Okay, so now this is equal to, see, I am taking the real parts together, u minus b plus imaginary parts together, so I into u plus b. Okay, so now this is what I got. So now from the left side, see, f of z is common in both sides, so f of z is taken outside, f of z into, here what is remaining, 1 plus, here I is remaining, so I got 1 plus I into f of z is equal to this. Now here let this u minus b equal to, say, p equal to u minus b, and say q equal to u plus b. Okay, so u minus b I have taken it as u p, and u plus b is taken as q. Therefore, this f of z into 1 plus I will become p plus iq, which is again a complex number. Okay, so p plus iq, that is p is u minus b and q is u plus b. So now if I differentiate this one, if I differentiate this with respect to x, then 1 plus I obviously constant, it will remain as it is. Derivative of f of z is f dash z is equal to derivative of p with respect to x is px, dou p by dou x. Okay, plus I into derivative of q with respect to x, say, take it as qx. So you can do even with y also, then it is py plus I into qy will come. Okay, so here now this is px plus iqx I have taken. Now here we have taken f of z is a, f of z we have taken it as an analytic function, and that f of z has u and b. This will satisfy Cauchy-Riemann equations. So in that case, u satisfies and u and v satisfies Cauchy-Riemann equations. So obviously its plus and difference and sum, that also will satisfy the Cauchy-Riemann equations. Therefore we can write, so by CR equations we can write px is equal to qy, means here where u and v were there, now we have taken it as p and q. Okay, so ux, instead of ux we are taking px, and uy will be kind of py. Similarly, vx will consider as qx and vy will consider as qy. Okay, then okay, then this is equal to, now this is px equal to qy. So now here what is given? Here u minus u plus v is given. U plus v is given means, what is given? P is given or q is given. Write in the chat box what is given. Here u plus v is given. That means p is given or q is given. Okay, q is given. Okay, so what I will do? Q is given means I will not get px here. So that px I will replace by this qy. Okay, therefore this f dash of z, therefore f dash of z into 1 plus I is equal to, instead of px I will write qy plus I into qx. Then can you solve this now? Say yes or no? Yes. Why? Because this is now same like uy plus iux. Only difference is that in place of u and v you have q and p. Okay. So now the procedure is same only. So here now f dash z you will get, f dash z will be 1 plus I will take the denominator 1 plus I into of this will come, this term will come. So that all are, these all are later parts. So till here you can, after this simplifying this f dash z you will get a function in z, and then integrating that function you will get f of z. So that is what we are going to do in this one. Okay, so that is we need to do in such kind of problems. And